A real quick video on Flashback Express Recorder. New tool that's free to us, doesn't have a 5-minute time limit, and I actually kind of like the tools. So if you look at the screen here, you've got me actually recording myself. I'll just move that off to the side. Here's a screen grab of what it looks like when you install it and set it up. You can do your whole screen, set up your microphone, the sounds that it's going to play back out to. You can actually have the webcam recording as well, which I have right now, which is kind of nice. You can choose your webcam and the settings, and then when you're done with that, you can see how the mouse is moving things around. So I'll go ahead and close that window down, but you can see a live website. I can click on any of the web pages here. You can see the mouse moving around. It's got a nice highlight feature. And then when you're done, you just go back over to the button to stop it and you hit stop. And so I'll do that, and then I'll do another video just showing how to do quick editing in Flashback Express.